If your Cadillac XT4 Apple CarPlay has suddenly stopped connecting, don't worry, it is usually a simple software glitch. Statistically, 80% of these connection drops are resolved with basic troubleshooting steps before you ever need a dealer visit. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to get your music and maps back on the screen. Start with the basics by checking for a damaged cable, a dirty port, or a simple Bluetooth toggle on your device. If that fails, head into your iPhone settings to forget the Cadillac connection and ensure your software is fully updated. Sometimes the Cadillac infotainment system itself needs a reboot, which you can trigger by holding the volume power button for 10 seconds. Most issues are just software, but if the physical port is damaged, you may need a professional shop visit. As you can see, the cost difference between a simple reset and a hardware repair at the dealer is significant. For advanced users, verify your fuses are intact or perform a full factory reset of the infotainment system as a final resort. Keep a high-quality cable and a small cleaning tool in your glove box to solve these connectivity issues on the go. Remember, tech connectivity is rarely permanent, so keep your software updated and your cables fresh to avoid future headaches. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you get back online, hit that like button and subscribe for more XT4 tips.